One way to reduce material use is to encourage people to use products longer. The product lifetime is dependent on the product design, but also on the potential for repairing a broken product. This repairability is in turn dependent upon the availability of spare parts and the access to reasonably priced repair services. Today, it often makes more sense to the consumer to buy a new product than to repair the old one, unfortunately. So in order to promote longer product lifetimes, European governments have adopted different policies to provide incentives for manufacturers to increase the product lifetime. For instance, some European countries have reduced the value-added tax for repair services in order to stimulate the repair sector and make repair a more attractive option for consumers. Several European countries have also recently changed the legal warranty time for many products. In some countries, consumers can now claim a right to repair or replace a product for up to 6 years after the purchase. France has adopted perhaps the most progressive policies, as they have now criminalized planned obsolescence. The French ban is important mainly because it sends a clear signal to the market, and France has started to look at the practices of some corporations that may indicate that planned obsolescence is actually taking place. France has also introduced a scheme to provide incentives for manufacturers to ensure spare parts are available for a number of years after the purchase of the product.